California's first human case of the plague in 5 years.
California health officials reporting the state's first case of plague in 5 years.
In California say the plague is popping up in rodents, which are carrying fleas infected with it.
A section of the forest was evacuated. Plague, known as the Black Death, is blamed for killing some 25 million Europeans during the Middle Ages, so authorities remain on high alert.
No, I won't. You're lying.
You've arrived.
Thanks. That's still a long ways to go. Sorry, squirrel. Shit, this looks sketchy. What? Wow. So I have to go backwards off this shit. I am so fucked, dude. Can I clear this? I hope so. I think so. Right here. Holy shit, we made it. One, two, three. Where's the fourth site? Oh my god, that's scary. This is nuts, man. Holy shit. Alright, all set up. Got the hammock. But one thing that was a little concerning, originally it was set up over there, but there was a hole for, like, you know, a squirrel or something, which, like, you know, I was like, oh, whatever. You could share a spot. Then I came over here and read the signs. That's not good. So, plague saying avoid camping near animal burrows, don't touch or feeds chipmunk, squirrels, blah blah blah. Watch out for infected fleas and shit. So, little sketch, but that's alright. We all booted up. We got the pants tucked in the boots, so we good. But let's go check out this spot over here real quick. This is the over this hill is the San Joaquin Valley, which is where Bakersfield and Fresno and all that shit's at. That big empty basin, desert valley. Man, that's fucking crazy. We're so high up. I want to say we're at 7,500 feet or something, but that'd be it. I kind of want to get closer to the edge. Obviously not too close, because man, this shit would be crazy falling down this. But nice. So quiet. Alright, gonna cook some food. So let's get the propane. Check the surroundings, make sure ain't nothing sneaking up on me. Looks good. Cool. Now we gotta decide what to eat. I got a bunch of food, but these are the two I'm just kinda in the mood for. So butternut squash, black beans, and this one actually has chicken. I think this one's actually I didn't realize this one's fucking vegan. I'm going with the chicken gumbo. New Orleans style gumbo chicken rice. Yeah, that sounds fire. Hopefully this isn't too small. It's my first time trying this size and this brand, so let's see how it goes. This I'm throwing all my food in here because there's definitely bears in the area, so I'm gonna probably throw my shit either like underneath another fire pit and put like a rock on top of it or something, or a log, or I got some ropes. I'm not sure how long it is, but I'm gonna try hanging some rope, hanging my food from a tree, the old classic way, if I need to, because I'm sleeping in here tonight, and maybe even my hammock, but probably not. Maybe if I had like a tarp set up and all that shit, but I don't feel like doing all that. I didn't bring my tarps anyways, 'cause I didn't feel like doing all that. So yeah, we're sleeping in here tonight, and yeah, I don't want my food, inside my vehicle. I don't want no bear from trying to get inside. Yeah, I guess I can show you guys how we're gonna be sleeping tonight. Just like this, seats fold down. Should be pretty comfy. I think it'll be alright. I didn't bring much, I just brought a blanket and clothes, so. Damn, I can't even see the flame. There we go. Alright, get that boiling. How's our water doing? Oh, that shit's boiling. Sick. Alright. Okay. Looks decent. Damn, that shit's glowing red. Alright. Here we go. Ow, that's fucking hot. Let me grab my glove. Here, just good old farm grip. Hell yeah. Oh, lost a little water. But that's alright. Okay. Stir and reseal. Hang out 15 minutes. Think about how big the universe is. Yeah, thanks. Open, stir again, reheat. Okay. Rehydration will take longer at higher altitudes. We are at 7,500 feet, so I would say this might take 18 minutes or so. Perfect. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock hits. We'll be chilling. Alright. Got my phone on me. Let's go, actually, let me get an extra knife too. Alright. Hopefully no bears have come around because they smell my food cooking. I always like to stop and listen around every once in a while just to try to hear shit. Be aware of my surroundings and stuff. This is cool. Someone carved there's still firewood in there. Can't have any fires right now anyway, so carved a little chair out of this. So yeah, these campsites are pretty nice. I would say out of a rating out of 10, I'd give it a solid 8. I would give it more if there's running water. If there's like a little stream running through here or something, and if it's a little more moist, I guess. The fact that we can't have fires right now is kind of sucks, but this view makes up for it. It's a nice area to chill in. Very remote, free. He's nice. Wow, that's fucking nuts. That looks so cool. I'm sure it doesn't look this good on the camera, but man, you can see far as Almost looks fake, like way out there. Those mountains way out there. It's a really strange sound. I hope that's not like a sick squirrel or something, because there is some plague around here, apparently, according to that sign down there. I guess I scared it. Nice. And I almost want to grab the binoculars and come back and look around, but my food's almost ready. 5 minutes. At least 5 minutes. Well, first time solo camping. Pretty successful so far. Got a good spot. Cool. Alright, let's check on the food. Very liquidy. Hate when this happens. I'm gonna leave it open for the next few minutes. I can try to let some of the water evaporate. I think it's time to crack open up in a liquor drink. Let me see what we got. So 2 of these. Sunrise, Arizona. Let's do it. I have a feeling the bees are gonna want to drink this though. But it's alright. Hopefully they'll f off soon. Whoa! Chill, brother. Not bad. That's not bad. It's pretty chill. Alright, our food should be ready. Let's try it out. Oh shit, it's spicy. But it's pretty good. Not too bad. Alright, well. Gonna eat some more of this and then we'll be back once it gets a little darker. Hearing some kind of coyote sound. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's not making the noise anymore. It's pretty far away though. Yeah, I don't hear anything. Alright, little update for you guys. Got this thing going for a little bit of heat, but I'm not gonna run it too much longer. Don't want to waste it too much. But yeah, we got a lot of lights set up. We can have campfires, and you know, fires usually keep animals away, but if you got nothing to make light, then I'm gonna set up some flashlights so I can see around my camp, you know? I don't want no fucking bears or mountain lions or anything wandering on through here without me noticing it. Well, here, let me show you guys the big bright flashlight though. Check this thing out. Look at this shit. It's like 15 bucks or 20 bucks or something at Home Depot. But yeah, I can see all the all the way around. Alright, it is hide food time. So, let's figure it out. There we go. Oh. Scan the area. Looks clear. There's a nice branch that'll support this. Maybe that right there. Alright, here we go. Nice. Cool. That'll do. Hopefully that's high enough. Let's see if I can bring it up this way a bit more. There we go. Alright, it's my first time actually doing this. I feel like that'll be a pretty hard climb for a bear. Cool. If we just can just wrap this around. Tie it around this little nail. That should be good. I don't think it's going anywhere. Cool. Just for safe measure, tuck it in a couple times. Okay. Alright. Food in the tree. Nice. I hear like a truck, but it sounds pretty far. I hope someone ain't trying to come out here at night. That'd be pretty fucking spooky. I don't know who the fuck would come out here at night. Except for some sketchy motherfuckers, you know. I think we'll be alright. Alright, we making some tea now. Alright, well, it's a little past 9:30 or so. I'm gonna take a walk over to the edge and check it out. What the fuck is that? Black object. Kind of want to get a little closer just to make sure it's not like. Okay, I think it's a sign. What is that? Pretty sure it's a sign. Yeah, it's like a sign or something. 'Cause, man, that shit almost looked like a person or something. Man, that would scare the fuck out of me. All right, keep going. Not gonna lie, it's pretty fucking spooky going out here by myself in the dark like this, but. But I think we're okay. We're not going too far. It's mostly open area. And I want to see the fucking edge. See if I can see the cities down there and shit. Oh, that's a bright star. Oh, I could feel the air coming from here. I don't know what that thing is. Interesting. Constantly checking my back. Oh, also I have sunglasses on the back of my head too. A little trick from mountain lions. What's that? Little sign out there? Huh. Must be another trail out that way. This is cool as fuck. That must be Bakersfield? I don't know what that is. I don't know how well you guys can see that. But that'd be a city down there. Wow, pretty cool, pretty cool. I was wondering, I thought I saw like lights like from the horizon. I'm like, is there like a bunch of stars about to come up from the other side? No, it's a city, of course. Society, can't get away from it. No, we're pretty away from society though. This is pretty decent. Alright. Might as well keep the camera on while I walk back just in case any crazy shit happens. Alright, let's roll a tobacco cigarette, read a book, and sit inside my car. See you guys later.